I've tried to film this video a couple of times and it keeps messing up on me, so I need to figure that out. So I came over here the other day when it was raining. All of this fills up with water. So the water goes up underneath this house. It's concrete, so the concrete's going to soak up the water. So I need to get some clay, sandy clay, and fill all that up where the water will run off. It cannot be going up underneath this house. That will cause issues. That's probably something contributing to the termites. Got this front porch cleared off. The front door I will be keeping because it's in good shape, and yeah, that door new is a lot of money. Demo, 90% done. 90% done. I'm loving how this thing's coming out. So basically, we're just having to scrape up the ground. Got most everything. It's been a lot of work. I have no idea how many trash cans full of trash this was, but it was a lot. Like, it was a lot. This is actually the first house I'm ever doing with a helper. I am paying somebody $100 a day to help me. So yeah, it's me, him, and my daughter. All this will be my daughter's one day, so I'm making her work for free. Don't turn me in for child labor. This is the laundry room. This is all treated, and it is not, shockingly, it is not, no termites or nothing. Gonna clean that out. Hopefully the bathroom's gonna be the same way. I'm gonna have to replace these lines. Everything's gonna have new wiring. The reason I've left the wiring is just to kind of show me what they did when I go to rewire it. And then, yeah. So, seeing, coming along. The kitchen, you see how you walk in from the back and you have all that? I'm probably going to change that. I don't like that. I mean, I could do it, but probably not. Just trying to figure out. Having that electrical box right close to the sink, that's not code, I'm sure. So, it's interesting to see what you see with the old houses. As far as pricing to do this whole thing, we're going to see. I don't know. I'm hoping around $30,000 is what I'm hoping for. So if I'm in this house for 30, like I said, I basically got this house for free because they threw it in with the other two houses. So renting it at $1,500 a month, so it's $18,000 a year. So even at $36,000, if I get my money back in 2 years, that is just ecstatic. So here we are. It's interesting to see. When I first started on this, I jumped all over it, and now I'm bold doing it. Am I still filming? Yes. So right now I have 3 remodels going and full land home package deals. So it's definitely a lot going on. I need to do a better job of focusing one project at a time. Like right now, one of my land home package deals needs electricity on, and I have not prioritized going to get the lights cut on. So probably need to do that first thing in the morning. I have another property that I need to get pads done. The pads is where you fill the clay or use any other material for the mobile home to sit on so it sits on flat. But doing pretty good. My bigger thing is I need to focus on one project at a time, and that's why I've been trying to focus on this house. That's why you have not seen videos of the other places. So I'm just gonna buckle down. Excited. Both of my land home package deals that I have right now, that they're not even listed on market. Both of them I've basically have sold. So like very, very happy with that. So yeah, everybody like and subscribe. New videos when I get 1,000% done with the remodel, I will do a new video. And then I will do a video framing, metal roof. I need to start ordering stuff. Boom, boom, boom.